Study great name of Allah, most kind and merciful to all whom. My name is Ali Adar Janna, 2K18 LCS, row number 48. My subject is linear algebra and analysis. Contents: matrix, types of matrix, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, conjugate and conjugate of a matrix, introduction to determine mathematics. The study of number, equation, function, and geometry shapes and their relations is called mathematics. Arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and calculus, and some branches of it. Type of matrix. Matrix, a set of number real or complex around in a rectangular formation, array or table, have m row and n columns and enclosed by skew bracket is called m mn matrix. Read m by n matrix. It's a chart of simple chart M matrix. Type of matrix: row matrix and column matrix. A matrix consisting of a single row is called a row matrix of a row vector. Where a matrix has single column is called a column matrix or a column vector. Null and zero matrix. A matrix in which each element is zero is called null or zero matrix. Zero matrices are generally denoted by the symbol zero. This distribution zero and matrix form the real number zero. Skew matrix. A matrix has some number of rows and columns is called a skew matrix. A matrix A of order m x n can be written as Mx. If n, then the matrix is said to be skew matrix. A skew matrix is order n x n is simply written as a diagonal matrix. A skew matrix in which all elements are zero, expected those in the main or principal diagonal is called diagonal matrix. Some element of principal diagonal may be zero, but not all. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same is called skew matrix, identity matrix, or unit matrix. A scalar matrix in which each diagonal element is one unity is called a unit matrix and identity matrix. Of other is denoted by an equal matrix. Q matrix A and B are said to be equal if and only if they have the sum order and each element of matrix A is equal to the correction element of matrix B for each other. Negative of a matrix. A negative of a matrix Mn denoted by Mx is the matrix formed by replacing each element of the matrix Mx with its additive inverse. Triangular matrix. A triangular said to be reticular matrix if it has upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is a square matrix is which each element below the principal diagonal is called upper triangular matrix. Low triangular matrix, a square matrix is which each element above the principal of diagonal is zero is called lower triangular matrix. Complex matrix. A matrix whose at least one element is complex number or purely imaginary number is called complex matrix. Singular matrix. A singular matrix is singular if its mode zero. Type of matrix non-singular matrix. A square matrix is a singular if its mode zero. Symmetrics and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. To understand if a symmetric is a symmetric matrix, it is very important to know about transports of matrix and how to find it. If we interchange row and columns of an M matrix to get an NM matrix, the new matrix is called the transpose of the given matrix. There are two possibilities for the number of row and columns numbers of a given matrix. For the second case, the transpose of matrix can never be equal to it. This is because for equal, the order of matrix should be the same. On the only case where the transpose of a matrix can be equal to it is then the matrix is square. Symmetric and skew matrix, but this is a sort of like for example, but this is only the first condition when if the matrix is square, its transpose may or may not be equal to it. For example, this dot. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix VCV DB whenever this happens for any matrix that the given transpose of the matrix is equal to it, the matrix is known as a symmetric matrix transpose. Who knows that? So if for matrix for all the value of I and j and n is equal to n, then its transpose equal to itself. A symmetric matrix will hence always be secure. Same explains of symmetric matrix are, for example, this chart. Probabilities of symmetric matrix. Adding any difference of two symmetric matrices result in symmetric matrix if A and B are two symmetric matrices and they flow the communicated probability A B is equal B A, then the product of A and B is symmetric matrix. If matrix A is symmetric, then N is also symmetric. When N is N together, if N is a symmetric matrix, then A minus 1 is also symmetric. Example of skew-symmetric matrix are this dot. Symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. Property of skew-symmetric matrix. When we add two skew-symmetric matrix, then the result matrix is also skew-symmetric. Scalar product of skew-symmetric matrix is also a skew-symmetric matrix. The diagonal of a skew-symmetric matrix consists of zero elements of row 4. The sum of elements in the main diagonal is equal to 0. When identity matrix is adding to skew-symmetric matrix, then the result matrix is invulnerable. Then determinant of a skew-symmetric matrix is non-negative. Conjugate and trijugate of matrix. Conjugate of matrix, a complex matrix obtained by replacing complex elements by their corresponding complex conjugate, and it is denoted by A bar. For example, this chart you can see conjugate of a matrix. Transpose of a conjugate matrix is called the conjugate of transpose of a conjugate matrix. It is denoted by A. For example, this term you can see. Thank you so much.